Hello everyone, thank you for coming back to the channel. So I only recently found out about Gunpla and always wanted to do one, and of course because of my age I'm more related to the original, the first model Gundam. As if I'm gonna build it, say, well, probably I'm gonna do it only once. So I did a bit of research and I thought not the best, because the best would be a perfect grade, which is very expensive, only master grade, second one down, and then I'm planning into building it. Now this one, I didn't want to start this one without ever done any Gunpla before it. So as you may know, if you've been watching my other videos, I bought like a knockoff version of another one from AliExpress, and then I've been doing that one. I felt quite confident, and I think that uh, now that I'm more familiar with the process, I may start venturing into building this one without doing too many damages. So this one, I can't remember the price of this one. I got it from Amazon, possibly around 60-70 pounds, I can't remember, somewhere around that. And that's what's in the box. As you know, Gunpla is famous for giving you all sorts of sprues. You know, your decals, metal decals, your multicolor sprues, the thermo machine, they go molds, the they mold the red, then they touch the purple, then they touch the yellow. Is amazing what they can do, the technology they're using. And apparently there are some pieces that go very strange, already built-in connections in it. I'm gonna go through it and build it, just to give you an idea how many spruces. That's 2 in here, that's another 2, 3 in here, we have to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, multicolored, yeah, multicolored, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, I think it was 19, I must have lost the count anyway, but yeah. And I'm gonna start. If you check my other video on how to organize all this process in a way that you can access them while you're building it, please click on the video. Should be easy to find. I'm gonna put a link at the end of this one maybe, and then or maybe up here. I'll just say up here if I find out the way how to put a link in there, I'll do it. As the instructions, booklet instruction, that of course comes out in Japanese and also Japanese. So that's a breakdown of all the spruces as a story. I mean, I'm sure you just do a Google Translate search with your phone, is gonna come up with what you need to do. Let's get my phone. Let's test it on straight away. I know my phone right now. Can do it because I'm using the phone taking this video, which proves how much of an idiot I can be. But yeah. Oh, international customer, please visit https bandai global index. So that's it. That's a help anyway in any case. And that's straightforward. I mean, pictures, numbers to follow, functions, and should be straightforward. So it's gonna be much more work than the other one. The knockoff, it was a high grade. It was 4 pages of instructions, and this is 4 times that, but also the price is 5-6 times that. So no surprise about it. And I'm gonna start building it, and then I'll keep you up to date all my progress, my results. Hopefully my patience is gonna take me through the final results. As a list of all the decals at the end. So it's wonderful. Just wish me good luck, please, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.